Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about who is single and who is not. Let's stop the confusion. Let's get enlightened. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is Iam_Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. To book your counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking or send me an email. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Listen, wherever you are, gentleman, lady, until you are lawfully married, you are still single. Yes, you are single. If you are engaged, you are single. If you are cohabiting, you are single. If you live with your boyfriend or girlfriend, you are single. If you've had children with your boyfriend or girlfriend, with a man or with a woman, you are single. Did he tell you to wait for him and he went to work or he went to study or he went somewhere and he sends you upkeep? You are still single. Whether you have been together for a long time, 5 years, whatever, you are single. Whether you've bought something, maybe a house in both your names, you are single. Have you got credit in his name or her name? You are still single. Does his parents know you, and do you go there for Christmas and other days and other anniversary celebrations? You are still single. Whatever it is, until you are lawfully married, you are single. So when you hear talks about married people, you are not among those. When you hear meetings of married people, you are not among those. Know your place. It will help you to know what you want. It will help you to achieve what you want, to chase for what you want. If you are with this guy and you want marriage, you want him to marry you, stop attending meetings of married people. You are missing out in what they are teaching meetings of single people, how to get him to propose, how to get him to marry you.